In our earliest days, our survival depended on one thing: belonging to our group.
Our tribe, our people.
We trusted those who looked and sounded like us, and feared the ones who didn't.
Studies showed that the amygdala, the part of our brain that detects threats, becomes more active when we see unfamiliar faces, especially of another race or group. This response is unconscious, fast, instinctive. It's called implicit bias. And it's not just humans. Primates, like us, form tight social bonds and show clear favoritism. Researchers at Yale found that even infants as young as 6 months prefer faces that resemble their caregivers. Discrimination starts before we even learn to speak.
As societies grew, these instincts hardened into systems: caste, class, race, religion. We began to justify inequality with stories. They are dangerous, they are less human, they don't belong.
In Rwanda, this idea was manufactured. Colonial powers divided Rwandans into Hutus and Tutsis, two groups who had lived side by side for centuries. They assigned identity cards, favoring one group, and this fueled resentment. When Belgium left, that division remained, and decades later, it exploded.
In 1994, hate was broadcast on the radio. Tutsis were called cockroaches. The propaganda worked because it tapped into something ancient: fear, tribalism, us versus them. Over 800,000 people were killed, many by their neighbors.
Today, discrimination still exists, just in quieter ways. In housing, jobs, schools, policing. A 2004 study showed that job applicants with white-sounding names were 50% more likely to be called back with those with black-sounding names, even with identical resumes.
But we can rewire our minds. Empathy activates different parts of the brain, like the prefrontal cortex, which help us regulate fear and make moral decisions. Prejudice may be instinctive,
but compassion is a choice. We strengthen to awareness, education, and connection.
Discrimination is in our nature, but so is love, so is change. We may never eliminate the instinct, but we can learn to appease it, with truth, with courage, with each other.